Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you guys are doing well. So this is another vlog style video, and this time is about me moving house. So yeah, I'm in the process of relocating to another house. So it's a pretty challenging time. We'll be moving from a two-story house to a condo. So you can imagine the amount of space that we have to make work with, which is easily half of what the house currently I'm living. So yeah, you guys probably did not see my workstation or my room in greater detail. So I'm gonna bring you guys for like a final tour of this old place of mine where I'm staying with my family. The next video moving forward will be in the new place. So I hope you guys can give me about 2 to 3 weeks time where I'll be relocating, packing up, throwing a lot of things, downsizing essentially just to fit into a smaller house. So this is my room where everything happens. This is the PC that I edit my videos with. The door behind me that you usually see in my videos actually is the bathroom, nothing too fancy in there. And outside my bedroom is the upstairs hall. We used to have a TV and a sofa set as well, but we converted it into some storage space because apparently my mother is a is half a hoarder. So sorry for all the mess because we are kind of like in the process of relocating. This is my mother's room. I will not go in there because it's not my area. And moving on, this is my brother's room. He has already moved out, so whatever that is in here is up for grabs. Mostly we'll leave it to the next owner. And these things on the bed are for disposal, nothing fancy there. And now we move downstairs. So moving down the stairs, we have the main living room and also the dining area. So yeah, that is my dog. She's an old dog, so she has some breathing difficulties. If you do hear some whining sound or some kind of like a gurgling sound, yeah, that's most likely from her. She's kind of old. She's about 15 years old, so she's still alive and kicking. And as you can see, the condition here is rather chaotic, but it's kind of like an organized mess. So it took us about 2 weeks to sort out, probably I would say 50% of the house. It's a big house after all. It's about 2,000 plus square feet. And like I said, my mom is a hoarder, kind of like a hoarder, half a hoarder. So that is a guest room that has been converted into storage. And this is the actual storage just underneath the stairs that was also converted into storage. So these are the things that we'll be bringing over. And here's the kitchen. We have kind of a big kitchen separated into wet and dry. So as you can see, here's where all the cooking is done, and next to that we have a bathroom. So yeah, there we go guys. Just a very impromptu, short, brief tour of my current place, soon to be former place. I have a lot of memories living in this house because I've been living in this house for more than half my lifetime. So definitely I would miss this house a lot after we move. we plan to move probably we gave ourselves a timeline about middle of June to finish relocating, as the new owner wants to take over end of June or early July. There is still a lot of packing to be done, shifting to be done. Even the main furnitures like the bed and the washing machine and the fridge has not been completely moved yet. There are a lot of bits and pieces that needs to be tied together in order to make everything work. So I hope you guys don't mind me not producing a bit of content for the next 2-3 weeks. Hopefully you guys are able to continue watching my older videos. They are evergreen and they are completely relevant until today. And the next video I make will definitely be in my new place. Do look out for the best entry-level credit card video that I'll be making the moment I settle down in my area, and also expect a new home tour. New home tour is definitely gonna be taking a lot more time, as we need to settle down and make sure everything's in place. So just a quick video for this week. Hope you guys taking care and staying safe, staying healthy. So if you like this kind of video, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe and ring the notification bell down there as well. Leave me some comments on what you want to see in the future videos. I have like a couple of videos lined up already, but if you have any good suggestions or anything you want me to vlog, just let me know and I'll try to make that happen. So take care guys, and I'll see you in the next one.